Welcome to the Ask Patrick series. Today's question is by Udit Modi. Question is, I am from the first lot. How do I cope up with something which is very unexpected or which is unexpected? Yes, I mean the first slot people would face something more unexpected than a second and third slot because they are the first one, including a number of questions because second and third slot would ideally know a number of questions from the first slot or maybe weightage for different type of questions. It's always possible. Okay, but understand this. If it's different for you, it is different for everyone. I mean, there's nothing which is going to be very different. For example, last year, what happened was the number of questions increased, but it increased by everyone from your slot. So, nothing on that. So, if you feel there is something really unexpected in the paper, be calm, take a gap of 5-10 seconds, re strategize your paper, and go ahead with it. That's how you go about. I mean, it is the one thing that I normally tell people, the main cause of panic is you feel that you're not doing well in the exam. That's the main cause of panic in the exam. And that normally and most of the time happens when the paper is little different. Okay, you panic because you feel, oh, the paper is different, I'm not doing well, it's not going well for me. At that point of time, just think this way. If the paper is different for you or the paper is tough for you, it is tough for everyone. The paper is easy for you, it is easy for everyone. So don't panic. Just plan and go ahead with it. Just close your eyes, 10 seconds, replan the paper, see which type of question you'll solve first, which you'll solve second, and solve the paper. That's how you go about it. Right? Unlikely that there's going to be a major disruption in the first slot, but in case you find something different or you find something unexpected, don't panic. Just replan. Strategy becomes a very important part of the paper. Just replan, think what will you solve first, what will you solve second, and then go about it. This normally happens in a DILR sets when people don't know what to do. I mean, you do try one set, you don't get, you try second set, you don't get, and you see half the time is gone and you panic. Don't do that. Relax. See what you should solve. Go ahead. I've seen a lot of people doing good in the last 5-10 minutes. Don't give up till the end. Remember that. Till the end, till the full max section is over, till you come out of the examination, don't give up. Keep fighting till the end, even if your one section has gone bad. Because there's a high chance that it will go bad for everyone. Because all of them are on the same boat. Right? So just if anything unexpected happens, as I said, the best way is understand the difference, replan your paper, and then go about writing it again. Thank you.